Let's see if there's any crappie on here. There might still be some right here. Yeah, right there. All right, that's what we're looking at. There might be something on there. Got my Mule Fishing Co. Donkey Tail Jr. Yeah, I would say there's a fish on there. Let's see. Ooh, I got a bird's nest. 1 second. Bueno. Alright, now let's get down there. Let's see. Knocking on y'all's. Ooh, knocking on y'all's door. They're there. Yeah, they're down there. There we go. There's our crappie. Whoa. There's one crappie. Calm down there, buddy. There's one about 10-incher. Ah, damn it. Ooh. Damn it. Oh, right at the surface, man. Where the heck? Freaking. Little guy. What is that? Freaking catfish. Oh shit. Big old catfish. Holy cow. How do I even get this with 6-pound line? Oh, I can't get him over here because he'll get in this. I gotta unhook. Dang tree. Ugh. Ultralight, like 6-pound catfish. He's tired. I might be able to body grab him. Oh, there he goes. Not a bad channel cat. That was a fun fight. It's looking like there's still some shallow crappie. I just got one, and I got some a minute ago in timber in 4 foot. Just using the old classic Road Runner. There we go. Is that a bass? Yeah. Oh no, it's a big old crappie. Dang, that crappie's mean. Yeah, it's a bigger one. I'll go ahead and grab him by the lip. Oh yeah, that ain't a bad crappie. There we go. These crappie are pretty much post spawn on this lake. With this rain, they could have a little more spawning. They're pretty much done. This is 4-pound line with an 1/8 ounce Road Runner. What is that? Why is my drag so low? Crappie! Ooh, he's got his tuxedo on real good. So this one, so if they're hooked a little funny, you can grab them like that. And grab the lip, grab the jig. Uh-oh. Okay, I see. So you can still see he's got his spawning colors on. Still got the black. Must be what's going on. They're sitting on beds. Alright, this spot is producing pretty good. This concrete structure that pokes out about 20 feet from the bank. And then a lot of good bedding area. Seems like this rain cooled down the water. It's back down to 66. It was at about 72. Might be doing the spawning thing again. Whoa, bunch of carp back there. Squirrel. Got him. There we go. There we go. Another male, yeah. Mean males, small mean males. Oh. Males. Nice. Small. I don't want to keep them. I hit about 4 spots before I got here. All the bites were pretty slim, and I got that one big catfish. Bites are a lot better right here. There we go. That looks more like a female. These are all smaller fish. Let me get the slime off my hands. Justin is always catching them right here and sending me pictures.
You're just rubbing his face.
If you would have at that time, yeah, he would have been like, what? Every cast, dang, dude.
Dude, I'm telling you, it's every time.
Oh, that might be a bass.
Every time.
No?
They move in when it gets quiet here.
You're right, yeah. So there we go, you guys. That's a black, or not black crappie, that is a male spawning crappie. I guess this rain, it sure did trigger them. The crappie I was catching over there earlier that were all blackened up, they were the same as this, way over here. So where I'm casting, if you can see this pipe, that's where this ledge is in the lake. I'm letting it hit bottom and just doing a couple little jerks, and I'm getting them every time. Look at that.
You got your good stringers?
Yeah. You want some? Yeah, about right there.
Right there.
That's crazy.
I told you, bro.
Bro, that's a good one.
Dude, that's where, like I said, I got a 15, a 16.
Look at that crappie.
That's what's great about these lines. Game fishing. Oh, Jesus. You're always testing out there, and I'm always testing right here.
Yep. Now we got someone here.
Double up on some crappie, guys. You doing a faster retrieve?
Yeah.
One. Nice crappie.
Good one. Oh, good male, yeah.
That's a good crappie right there, guys.
Got bottom lip hooked. Dang it. Ooh, I hate unhooking them like that. Another one. Nice. Every time. Ooh, right in the leg.
We're gonna get in the water here in a minute though, so I'm just gonna let you know. I told her. Yep.
Ah, missed him.
You got it.
I said we double throw right where you just missed him.
Alright.
Just pitch
Oh,
it.
look at that.
You're gonna take,
Braid.
before you go down on silk, you're
Huh.
gonna pull this way
That wire?
and bring oops, this way.
Oh, no, that's Cajun.
Here,
Yeah.
make sure it doesn't touch,
It's Cajun.
and you're gonna do
That's
it.
that old school
Yep,
pitch
you got
it.
it.
Just right
Yep.
up there.
Now Now the one that she
There it
showed,
is.
she was sitting in your elbow.
Nice.
Like, do you want to do that one?
Oh, I seen that line jump.
That's what I want.
So you don't have to go any further at all. So you just have to sit. I know. Yep. Yep, and then pop your dress out. Thank you. And then go first and then here. And bring your back on your things on.
Oh, it's fine.
It's alright, it's our job. It's our job, it's fine. I'm just messing with you. We're just... No, you guys are fine.
I was like, you're gonna hear this lady.
You know how it goes, we edit stuff out. It's fine.
Like, we'll have to put a whole nother thing on y'all.
No, I thought you were the landmarker. They supposedly they sold this
Yeah,
thing.
they did.
So
We both were just gonna say, hey, we don't know. So.
nice. Dude, that's a better one. Seems like it.
You see how that line just dropped?
You just dove down, yeah.
Get over here. Don't get in that stuff. Yeah, that's a female. Nice.
Told you, bro. All night. When it gets dark, you just that fucking minnow and bobber and that lighter thing. That's where her uncle was filming.